Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Toppers World. I am sharing vocabulary for you and this is very beneficial for the beginners in reading, writing, listening and speaking. And the first word is inhabit. Inhabit you can use in place of live in, means rehna. Many animals inhabit in forests. Nowadays, many Indians inhabit in foreign countries. Reinforce means to strengthen, किसी चीज़ को और ताकत देना. To strengthen. In order to reinforce my essay, I usually add examples. Distinctive, special. Distinctive, special, extraordinary. He has many distinctive qualities in his personality. Offense, crime, offense. So, number of offenses are rising in these days. Outlaws, criminals, offenders. Criminals, offenders, जिन्होंने कानून तोड़ा होता है, those who break law, they are called outlaws. In these days, outlaws are roaming freely in society and innocent persons are being caught by the police. Fetch. Fetch means to go and bring. Jana or leke aana. Please fetch a glass of water for me. Eventually, finally. Eventually, Indian team won the match. Accumulate. Gather. Accumulate, gather means इकट्ठा करना. The life is limited, so do not remain busy in accumulating money. Resist, disobey, refuse, मना करना. You can't resist my suggestions as they are very beneficial for you or very fruitful for you. So next word is fruitful means useful. Whatever the suggestions I have given to you, they are all very fruitful for you. Next, rare, uncommon, durlabh, जो चीज़ें बहुत कम हो, they are called rare. So many expensive herbs are very rare in these days in our nature. Lion is a rare animal now. Prestige, respect, reputation. We should work hard to get prestige from the society or in the society. Posterity, future generations, आने वाली पीढ़ियाँ. We should protect our environment for our posterity. Yearn means wish, desire. He yearns to buy the most expensive car in the world. Tedium, boredom. So in order to avoid tedium, many people watch movies, listen songs, or play online games. Legendary, a prominent person, a very respectable, famous person. Sachin Tendulkar is a legendary cricketer. Alter, change. Alter, change. Please don't make any alter in the program as this is fixed. Potential, possibility. Potential, possibility. He has a great potential to get success in life. Stimulate, excite. Stimulate, excite. Please don't get stimulated. Keep cool. Masses, common people. आम लोग, masses. So many masses believe that life is always better on the other shore or in the other part of the world. Virtual in practice, in reality. Virtually, he is a man down to earth, prosperous, rich. Many prosperous people do not like to donate their money to the poor people. Obscene, vulgar. Government should ban obscene movies that are being shown in these days on Netflix. Detect, find out. Police is detecting the real offender behind this crime. Congregation gathering. Yesterday Prime Minister addressed a congregation in the capital city of India. Roam, wander. Don't roam freely in this hot day, you will get sick. Destitutes, poor. We should help needy and destitutes. Miracle, wonder. Yesterday, a miracle happened. A person who was considered dead stood up again. Beneficial, useful. We should always do things which are beneficial for our environment. Exaggeration, overstatement means कोई किसी बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा के करना. The boss of my office increased my salary just rupees 500, but he was exaggeratingly said that big increment was given to the employees. Laborious, hard working. I like to give jobs only to those who are laborious. Ambience, environment. We should be cautious or careful about the tidiness of our ambience. Tidiness means cleanliness. Tidy, neat and clean. I always wear tidy clothes. Bizarre, very strange. Yesterday a bizarre incident happened in the market. Accurate, correct. Nobody can 100% accurate all the time. Thank you.